The 10th day of Muharram, known as Ashura, marks a pivotal moment in Islamic history. It commemorates the martyrdom of Imam Hussein, the grandson of the Prophet Muhammad, in the Battle of Karbala in 680 AD. This event took place in the context of a power struggle within the Muslim community following the Prophet's death. The Caliphate, the leadership of the Muslim community, was contested. Yazid I, the Umayyad Caliph, sought to consolidate his power and demanded allegiance from Imam Hussein. Imam Hussein, known for his piety and adherence to justice, refused to pledge allegiance to Yazid. He considered Yazid's rule oppressive and against the principles of Islam. This refusal was a bold stand against tyranny. The stage was set for a confrontation that would shape the course of Islamic history. Ashura became a symbol of resistance against injustice and a testament to the power of faith. The events of this day continue to resonate deeply within the Muslim world, particularly among Shia Muslims. Imam Hussein ibn Ali occupies a revered position within Islam, particularly in Shia Islam. He was the grandson of the Prophet Muhammad and the son of Ali ibn Abi Talib, the fourth caliph and the Prophet's cousin. Imam Hussein inherited a legacy of piety, knowledge, and unwavering commitment to justice. Shia Muslims revere Imam Hussein as the third Imam, a spiritual leader who carries on the Prophet's mission. His life exemplified the values of Islam, embodying compassion, courage, and unwavering faith. Hussein's lineage connected him directly to the Prophet, making him a central figure in the spiritual history of Islam. His martyrdom on the plains of Karbala elevated him to an even higher status, becoming a symbol of sacrifice for one's beliefs. Imam Hussein's unwavering stance in the face of tyranny resonated deeply with those seeking justice and righteousness. The events leading up to the Battle of Karbala unfolded gradually, revealing a growing conflict between Imam Hussein and the ruling Umayyad dynasty. Yazid I, known for his ruthlessness, demanded allegiance from Imam Hussein. This demand was seen as a test of loyalty, one that Hussein could not accept in good conscience. Hussein's refusal to pledge allegiance stemmed from his deep commitment to justice and his opposition to Yazid's oppressive rule. He believed that true leadership should be based on piety, fairness, and adherence to Islamic principles. Hussein's stance was not one of rebellion, but of preserving the true spirit of Islam. Leaving his home in Medina with his family and a small group of loyal companions, Imam Hussein embarked on a journey towards Kufa, a city in present-day Iraq. He had received messages of support from the people of Kufa, who were disillusioned with Umayyad rule. This journey was not merely a physical one, but a spiritual migration, a quest to uphold truth and righteousness. The Battle of Karbala, a tragic clash on the scorching plains of Iraq, epitomized the struggle between good and evil, justice and oppression. Imam Hussein, with his small band of followers, stood against a massive Umayyad army. The odds were heavily stacked against them, yet they remained resolute in their principles. For 10 days, Hussein and his companions endured thirst, hunger, and relentless attacks. Despite the overwhelming numbers, they fought valiantly, their courage fueled by faith and a commitment to justice. One by one, Hussein's companions fell, each death a testament to their unwavering loyalty. Finally, on the 10th day of Muharram, Ashura, Imam Hussein himself was martyred. His death, a poignant symbol of sacrifice, marked a turning point in Islamic history. Though they perished in battle, their stand against tyranny became a beacon of hope for the oppressed.